Okay, what am I supposed to do here? I'm trying to get through here and these turkeys will not move. And we got turkeys in the middle of the street of San Leandro. Look at this. Let's see if I can scare them a little bit here. I gotta get through here. Come on, turkey, you gotta go. Come on, turkey, you gotta go. Come on. Wow, that's cool. Look like these turkeys belong to somebody. Come on. And this guy's scaring them over here. Wow, this is crazy. It's hard to believe that this turkey's in the middle of the street. Look at that. Turkey's right. This is like right in front of me. They're not even scared. Look at that. Wow. Okay. I guess they don't care. They're just chilling. Okay, turkey, what are you gonna do? Come on. I gotta get through. Come on. Come on, turkey. I gotta get through. Come on, turkey. Come on, turkey. Alright, there's a turkey. Alright, turkey's gone. Turkey number 1, turkey number 2. Come on, turkey, you gotta go. You gotta go. Oh my god, that is so crazy. Look at that. Right here, right? Look at that. Look at the size of this turkey. Oh my gosh, that is crazy.